All right, so this is your host, Whiskey 60, and I'm just doing an update on the rebuild of the shop. The concrete guys are here this morning to pour a new slab on top of the old slab. This slab's going to be a 30 by 40. We're not going with quite as big a shop this time. And it was 23 degrees this morning when these guys got here at the crack of dawn, about 6:15. So anyway, they're here, they're forming it up. The truck will be here later. They're gonna pour it and they'll be done by this afternoon. So anyway, that's the update. I'll just get a little video here. Here comes the boss. I'm gonna talk to him for a minute. So anyway, we're gonna sign off for now and we'll check in with you later. Let's get out.